Cornerstone Gardens today, and they have my very favorite tree, and so I wanted to introduce it to you guys so maybe it will become your favorite tree too. It's a Lacebark Elm. You can see it right behind me here, and you'll see why it's called a Lacebark Elm if you get really close and you look at the trunk of the tree. It's got this really beautiful cinnamon colored puzzle piece bark. It just adds so much interest to the entire tree. The leaves are this really pretty lacy leaf that of course is deciduous, and so it does lose its leaves in the winter, but when the wind blows, it just has a really delicate texture to it, and I just think it's really beautiful. If you have a space that needs a medium-sized tree, it's not a super small tree, but I would say the size of a unmurdered crepe myrtle at its full height, this grows to be about the same height. So if you want something that's a little bit different than the, same old that you've seen around, maybe try a Lacebark Elm. The two varieties that do really well here are called a Drake Elm and an Alee Elm, and those are both varieties of a Lacebark Elm. So maybe try to find those at your local garden center. If you haven't already seen them, ask for them and see if they can find one for your garden.